Man, I love these little towns, you know, little country towns. Property value is really low. Well, not value, like rent and things like that. You could get a house for a decent price. It's just awesome. You go hit some of these roads back here. I know some of you guys like the city, but I don't. Man, I've been trying to tell you guys about my experiences buying a trailer. I went to buy a trailer and it wasn't good. I'm going to share that with you guys one of those days. I just got to have some time to record some videos. But let me know if you want to see RV or travel trailer content. I'm thinking about buying one. I've said it in the past videos, or I am buying one. And I want to make some videos. I want to show you some camping grounds, some places to go. I don't know. I think it would be cool to see places kind of like vlogging style, or locations where we could go camping with the family and all that. Definitely let me know down in the comment section below if you want to see that. Talking about RVs and all that. Look at that Dodge 4x4 2500. Woo! That's sweet, baby. Hey, you saw that taco stand?
Yeah, okay, it's good.
It's good? Not as good as the tacos on but now. No? Oh, there's Corky Bells. Me and Randy been there. Okay, now I know how to get back here. That place is awesome. Really awesome. Last time we came here, there was, I guess an alligator. Pretty good sign. And there was this little kid right really close to the water because there's water right behind the St. John's River's there. And I'm thinking to myself, finally, you know, somebody came over. But I'm like, come on, man. Parents. We got to be parents. And we got to understand that maybe it's not a good idea to have a little kid next to a place where there's an alligator. But me and Randy were about to, like, I don't know, do something about it. Because for a second I was like, whoa, what's going on here? Here we go, baby. Little bridge. There's the sign right there, Palaka. Oh, Maritime Museum. Look at this. Wow, man, this is beautiful back here. Big shout out to Randy. He's always taking me around cool places. There we go, Ravine State Park. Wow, man, a lot of old looking houses back here. But not like kind of like historical or something. Look at that. Look at this house right here to the left. Oh, there we go. Alright, so we just went through, and essentially it's one of those things that you get a little envelope and you put money. It's very common around here in Florida, and you put the money there, and then you get a little sticker right there like I got. And that's about it. You leave the sticker in the car, obviously. Let's see. Trying to go slow. I don't want my sticker to fly.
I just rode all the way back to that sitting on my gas tank and didn't even know it.
What? Really? Come on. Wow. Look at that. Wow, I go pretty down there, man.
Yeah, that's why I had to grab Levi.
Oh yeah.
He's going wild. I'm like, Daddy's not equipped for these trails, bro.
This is pretty, man. Like you could bring something to eat and just sit down here and have lunch.
They do this big festival. There's like some type of flower that blooms here that people care about.
Mm-hmm.
So they all come. It's a big deal. Azaleas. Yeah,
Oh, is it? When me and Stacy went to South Carolina, we had it's like we went to one of those plantation. It was like a ladybug thing, and it was a huge deal, man. Look at that. Oh wow.
Tell me so I don't walk in your way.
No, dude. This is recorded 360 degree, bro.
I know, but you don't want the 75 of those degrees to be randy, though.
No, then because when I pick the frame, I pick what direction I want her to go. Look, yes. Federal Emergency Release Administration Project. Okay.
Oh wow, dude.
Never listen. Love this place.
What I love about places like this is that people spend so much money, but you could pack like a lunch
Take your family.
and bring a couple bucks, pay for the entry, and bring your family, and your family will have a great time here, man.
Pretty little fountain over there.
Oh wow, let's look at that. That is pretty. Entering a hurricane store to disturb every potential hazards, included falling trees, limbs, block route. Okay.
We just like we won't go that way, but it's like super beautiful. The trails
Really?
back over in there, but they're hard. They're harder trails. That might be a
Right.
in shape people.
What are you trying to say? We're not in shape?
I'm not. I
We are-
already went halfway down it and gave up. I mean, you're more than welcome.
We're in a circle shape.
Yeah, I was like, Levi, I got enough energy to get back the way we came. I don't know what lies in front of us.
Let's go to the Fat Boys
Like,
side.
see the red?
Yeah.
The red on the tree? What is that? I just seen it somewhere. Yeah, see the red marks?
Right.
That marks the hard trails.
Okay, I see what you're saying.
And they're surprisingly hard for Florida. That's not what we're here for today.
No, we're definitely not here for the hard trails. We're here for the easy trail.
I'm here to unite our spirits with
Oh.
ancestors.
Yeah, I don't even know if I want to go down up all the stairs. I'll be tired already. Wow, dude. Oh, no way, man.
Did I deliver?
Yeah. Oh, wow, dude. Oh, I gotta call my wife.
I told you.
This is way too cool.
I wanted all of us to go do this together. I knew she'd like it.
Woo.
Did you get down for the 360 to work over?
No, this is cool, dude.
This is all from the spring. There's a big spring at the top of this hill.
Dude, this thing is shaky, man.
Yeah, it's a wooden bridge, bro. Connected by ropes.
Wow.
Didn't you jump out of helicopters and grow?
No.
This whole, like, where we're walking was cut out by the spring. Like, see that? It's all spring water.
Yeah.
Very clear. Beautiful water. Wow. I took my grandma. It was about all she could do, but she was really happy she came.
Really?
I couldn't take her on some, obviously, like, I had to, like, some of this stuff's crazy, man. Imagine being park ranger here. That's a pretty sweet job.
That is a pretty sweet job.
I'm gonna cut this grass today, Trey, man. Okay. If
Yeah.
I have to. Probably cut the grass.
That's it.
Sit out here, watch the river for a little while.
Mm-hmm. Wow. This is a pretty place.
Yeah, man, look at that.
Oh, she's there. She's looking at us.
What is it, an indigo?
Is it a black racer?
I don't know, but I ain't in the mood for racing. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a black racer, right?
He's not poisonous, whatever he is.
Oh, see you later, girl.
Okay, this place is awesome. Just awesome. I had a really good time here. I don't know how to come out of here. I think it's here. Let's see. So yeah, I had a really good time here. Just an awesome place to come here with the family. Bring some food, have a picnic. Again, just an awesome place. I'm so glad I came here. Anyways, I hope you guys have a good time. Appreciate you guys watching. And as always, God is in control.